4116 on the Carnival Legend. And this used to be a interior with French doors room with the obstructed view. They recently had a dry dock in May, so they got a lot of updates to the ship, and because of those updates, the room now has floor-to-ceiling windows instead. So this is the room. Nice. It looks like the same as when I had a balcony. So nice floor. And I do have a little bit of a view right here. So the man's cleaning right now, but I have a view. So that's good. We have the couch. A nice different painting. And another painting. Looks like Greek or something. And the bathroom. There it goes. So that's the bathroom. I'm sure you all have seen this before. I just wanted to show you that they had a new change, which is they have floor-to-ceiling windows now. So since this was done after we paid for the cruise, it doesn't count as like an ocean view or whatever. I guess they're gonna keep it the same as an interior. They're gonna probably call it interior with floor-to-ceiling window, obstructed view or something, but still good. You still get some sunlight in, so it's still a good room to go with. So this is 4116 on the Carnival Legend. We're going to Alaska, 4 cities in Alaska and Canada.